In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files on the WPS Office app. Whether you're using WPS Office for school, work, or personal documents, knowing how to download and save files properly is really important. It makes them easy to access later, even when you're offline, and helps you stay organized on your phone or tablet. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step, and you can follow along on your own device. First, open the WPS Office app on your mobile device. Give it a moment to load, and you should land on the home screen, where you can see your recent documents or available templates. If you don't see the file you want to download right away, look for options like Document, Sheets, or Cloud to navigate to the right section. Next, locate the file you want to download. This might be a document stored in the cloud, a shared file, or something that's been sent to you through a link. Take your time scrolling or using the search bar at the top if it's available. Once you find the file, tap on it to open it inside WPS Office. The document will load, and you'll see the content on your screen. Now, we want to make sure this file is stored on your device for offline use. Look toward the top or bottom of the screen for an option related to downloading or saving. Depending on your version of the app, this might look like a small download arrow, a cloud icon, or a menu icon with 3 dots. Tap this icon to bring up more options. In the menu that appears, choose the option that says Download, Save to Device, or a similar phrase. When you tap this, the app will either start downloading immediately or ask you to confirm where you want to save the file. If you're prompted to choose a location, pick a folder that you'll remember, such as a Documents or WPS folder on your device storage. After confirming, wait a few seconds while the file downloads. This usually doesn't take long, but it can vary depending on your internet connection and the size of the file. Once the download is complete, you'll typically see a brief notification or a message confirming that the file has been saved. To double-check, go back to your device's file manager or to the local document section inside WPS Office. Find the folder you selected, and you should see your file there, ready to open even without an internet connection. And that's all you need to do to download files on the WPS Office app.